Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing what matters. Open Keep, create a note, and immediately add a clear title and labels so you can filter later. Use color to group topics visually and pin one or two priority notes to the top. Set a time or location reminder right away for action items. Once done, Confirm Sync is enabled across devices so your changes appear on phone and web. This gets you a searchable, organized baseline you can build on efficiently. Now deepen organization by converting notes into lists with checkboxes for actionable steps and drag items to reorder priorities. Add images or attach voice recordings. Keep transcribes audio so you can search spoken content later. Use consistent labeling, apply multiple labels when a note spans projects, and rely on search operators like Label, work to surface related items quickly. Make sure to merge similar notes instead of duplicating. This reduces clutter. Finish by reviewing notes weekly. Archive completed items to keep the main view focused, delete duplicates, and export keynotes to Google Docs when you need formatted documents or sharing. Use reminders to resurface follow-ups and color code archived categories for reference. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Refresh the app, check that you're signed into the correct Google account, clear cache, and re-login. If issues persist, reinstall. Doing these final steps preserves order and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.